I do hope everyone is well, and I just want to start out by saying thank you for the time to visit my video. With all the choices out there on YouTube, you could have gotten to somebody's other channel. So I thank you very much. I'm very appreciative. Today we're going to take a look at an aftermarket battery for the Yaesu FT60R. There's mine over there. Love that little HT. It's got its quirks. You get into band scan mode, I can never figure out how to get out of it because it's tricky enough getting into it. So I bring it back to the computer and I rewrite the radio file back to the radio, and that removes it. So there's a memory mode. You can push and hold the top button, turn it on, go to menu number 5, and it's only memories only. That's probably what I'll do if I'm out somewhere and can't remember how to do it and don't have access to a computer. But anyways, let's get back to this little spare, supposed to be, I don't know how many, I thought it was 2200 milliamp hours, but anyways, let's get it out of the box. Spare nickel metal hard drive battery for the FT60, and let's see what we got. Of course, it's going to come in a little bag. Looks like a perfect match. So it is, if I can get this thing to focus, focus. 2200 milliamp hours. Let me get some light on this camera. Okay, so it is 2200 milliamp hours. I got another surprise. I bought a drop-in charger. I got this radio used, did not come with a drop-in charger, so let me show you that. No good to charge battery through the radio where it heats up the radio, internal components, and all that stuff, so let's get that out over here. I've been using that for the last couple days to charge the FT60, and it works really well. Here it is, and the blue light just went out. So it comes with this little power adapter, which is 1 amp output into the little charging cup. Looks very identical to my FT5DR's charging cup, but I believe the model numbers are different, so I don't think they're compatible. Oh, what do we do to the radio there? Hit something. Anyway, so let's see. That battery will slide right down in and lock into the grooves. It should. I can never get the radio going into there. So like a, there we go, locked in. Let me charge that up and we'll report back once that thing's charged. Here I go again on my desk, charging. There's that extremely bright blue light. All my lights off, computer on for everything at night. Last couple nights when I'm charging FT60. This thing has been incredibly bright. It's like a nightlight in the bedroom. Fits in really well. I'm going to have to get a marker or something, piece of tape, and put FT60R so I don't get them confused.